Welcome to Foxtecc. If you want to change the voice that announces your calls on an iPhone, the key thing to know is that this feature is tied to Siri. So changing the voice for call announcements means adjusting Siri's voice settings. Let me walk you through exactly how to do it. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Siri and search. If you're using iOS 18 or later, this section is now called Apple Intelligence, but it's still the same menu where Siri settings. Once inside, find and select Announce Calls. Here you can choose when Siri should announce calls, whether always, headphones in car, headphones only, or never, depending on your preference. If you want to change the actual voice that announces calls, go back to the Siri and Search or Apple Intelligence menu and tap Siri Voice. Here, you'll be able to pick from different voice options, including various accents and male or female voices. Once you select a new voice, it will automatically apply to Siri, including call announcements and any other notifications that Siri reads aloud. After making these changes, you don't need to restart your phone. Siri will start using the new voice immediately. So if you ever want a different sound for your call announcements, just go back and switch it again. Try it out and let me know in the comments if this worked for you. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Foxtecc for more iPhone tips. Thanks for watching and see you later.